In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new task from an existing template so you can save time and keep your process consistent. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into ClickUp and you have permission to create tasks and use templates in your workspace. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to the list where you want the new task to live. If you're following along from an All Tasks view, switch into the specific list within your workspace so the task lands in the right place. This helps keep your structure clean and ensures custom fields and automations tied to that list will apply correctly. Next, click into the Task Composer in your list to start a new task. You'll see a task window or modal open. This is where we'll attach a template so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Inside the task window, find and click Templates. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a Templates button or an option in the task toolbar. This opens the template gallery connected to your workspace. Choose Create Instantly from Template. This option is great when you want to apply the template as is, with default settings and fields, without going through extra mapping screens. It's quick and reliable, especially for standardized workflows. Now, select your preferred template. If you have a lot of templates, use search or filters to find the right one. Take a moment to confirm it includes what you need, things like subtasks, checklists, custom fields, due dates, and assignees if your template stores those. If you're working with recurring work, picking a clearly named versioned template can prevent confusion later. Click Use Template. ClickUp will instantly load all the template's components into your new task. Give the task a clear title and double-check any details that should be unique this time around, such as dates, priority, or a specific owner, so you don't carry over placeholder information. Finally, click Create Task. Your new task is now added to the list, with everything from the template in place. Open it once to verify subtasks, descriptions, attachments, and custom fields look correct. If something's missing, it may be restricted by workspace permissions or the template was updated. In that case, refresh, or try another template you know is complete. That's it. Navigating to your list, opening the Task Composer, choosing Templates, creating instantly from your preferred template, using it, and confirming with Create Task. With this flow, you'll build tasks faster, keep quality consistent, and make your team's process easier to follow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in ClickUp.